welcome again to Budget with Brian. And as you can see, I'm on my site today, but we have some really exciting news. We've got a Amazon shop, which I'd like you to think of as being more like Top Gear's Cool Wall, except this is going to be a cool tool wall. And we're going to put our recommended products onto the cool tool wall. And if you've got any suggestions of what a tool that is cool should go on the wall, you let us know. But meantime, the link is below. Don't forget, we're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian.